lived in a beautiful pond. The little duck loved playing with other birds and swimming in the pond. However, one day, it noticed a larger pond at the other end. Curious, the duckling set out towards the unknown. Along the way, it made new friends with other birds and enjoyed quality time together. But when it reached the big pond, it discovered that many different bird species lived there. As the duckling met different birds, it explored colorful and diverse worlds. Each bird had unique abilities and stories. The little duck realized that differences were a strength, and each bird had its own value. In the end, the little duck returned to its pond and reunited with its friends. It shared memories and what it learned about new friends. Everyone began to understand each other better, and life in the pond became more vibrant.